concept of sign, guys, it's like this. If it is plus positive number multiply by negative number, what we will get? Yes, less than 0. Negative positive, again less than 0. What I mean to say is, for example, 2 into minus 3 is negative, which is minus 6, right? Similarly, negative number into negative will give you what? Which sign? Yes, positive. Like minus 7 into minus 3 by 2 is equal to my plus 21 by 2, which is positive. So plus into plus will also give you positive. So this is the elementary concept of sign, guys, on which the big concepts like wavy curve method is based. Now, for example, let's take an example on an inequality like this: minus 11 by 2x minus 3 greater than 0. How we can solve this? Find x. So if you think it can be, the hint would be, we can use concept of sign. Minus 11 is already negative, so negative 2x minus 3, we have to impose condition that it should be negative, so that negative by negative is positive. Here negative into negative, negative upon negative also, negative upon positive also, this also we can do. Okay, positive upon positive. So negative by upon negative gets cancelled and we will get positive. So it means what? Since minus 11 is already negative, it is a fixed number, we can't do much about that. So we have to impose a condition on 2x minus 3, which has to be negative. Now adding plus 3 on both sides of the inequality, we will get this, and then multiplying by 1 by 2, you will get x less than 3 by 2. So x belongs to minus infinity to 3 by 2 is what we got, okay, using the concept of sign. For example, x square plus 4, 3 minus 5x, negative, find x. So how we can approach this, guys? Now as you can see here also x square is a positive number for all real x. So x square plus 4 will always be positive, right? So its minimum value is 4, so we can safely say that it is positive, right? So one factor is positive for every value of r, it is positive. So one factor is fixed positive, we can do much about that. So the condition that we need to impose is on the second factor, which has to be negative, so that the product is negative. The second factor is what? 3 minus 5x, which has to be negative. So 3 minus 5x should be negative. Subtracting minus 3, both sides of the inequality, we will get minus 5x less than minus 3, and then multiplying by what? In order to get x, we will multiply by, yes, minus 1 by 5 both sides. So this becomes this, and this becomes minus 3 minus 1 by 5. Now what would be the sign? Will it be less than or greater than? So yes, after multiplying by a negative number, the sign gets reversed. So the answer is x greater than 3 by 5. So this is a concept of sign that we use. Okay, guys. Let's take another example. Let's take two linear factors, 2x minus 1, 3x minus 7. Let's say this is some expression in x, a quadratic expression fx. So for what values of x this will both be positive, this be also positive, this also positive, that we have to find. Okay, this factor is positive as well as this factor is positive, we have to find x. So what we will do, so obviously plus into plus fx will also be positive in that case. Although there is another case in which both are negative, then also their product can be positive, but I am interested in only the positive values of the two linear factors. So what we will do guys, here we will put this greater than 0 and 3x minus 7 greater than 0. Adding plus 1, you will get this, then multiplying by half, you will get x greater than half. Similarly here adding plus 7, you will get 3x greater than 7, and then multiplying by 1 by 3, you will get x greater than 7 by 3. So x greater than half and x greater than 7 by 3. What is the intersection of these two? One is greater than half and one is greater than 7 by 3. So obviously the common solution would be 7 by 3, x greater than 7 by 3 guys. Okay, so the thing is, so that way we can do that's how we do concept of sign, that's how we use concept of sign in basic level problem, and it can be generalized for